she no get joy at all. She's fearless, she can do anything for the money, and always ready for trouble. Hey, she know that if you face oh, how I holla too much oh, trouble for her body, and she no send anybody. Hey, she's so desperate. Ay, why are you fighting for something that is not your own? Sharon, no. She's so desperate. Ay, hey.
Mama, I greet you. Dorothy, I heard you. Dorothy, I heard you. I am not deaf. Eh?
No, you don't talk anything when I talk. I'm just there.
See, if you follow me talk that rubbish this morning, I go forget my hand for your face. See, idiot. Don't add to my anger.
Calm down.
Babe, what's up? What happened?
Someone must have pissed you off this morning.
Is it not one useless keke rider and one over-sabi girl? Eh? Just doing anyhow, embarrassing themselves, thinking they're embarrassing me, insulting themselves.
I hope you did not pick a fight with them, because I know you, Sharon. I know you.
I was in a very good mood today. If not, you know how far now. You know how far.
Calm down.
You know how far.
Calm down.
You know how far.
Calm
You know
down.
how far.
I know. And you need to talk to this girl. You need to really talk some senses into her head.
Waiting happen.
Can you imagine? She gave me money to go and buy her bread and drink from the shop downstairs. She was talking to me like her little sister. Can you imagine?
Wait, for real?
I don't chop insults, I swear.
And you still sit down, they chop the bread and mineral. My friend, drop that thing and come here. Stand up when I'm talking to you. Are you mad? Drop that bread and mineral first. Kneel down. Huh? I don't want to repeat myself. Kneel down. What she just said, is it true?
Madam, not true. She even ignored me. I said, how many she can't forget say I started work here before her. And she be JJC for this shop. Eh? Madam, you need to teach her some this thing respect now.
Wait, you actually sent Chibueze? Like, are you alright?
This one.
Are you normal? Is she your mate?
No, not say she senior me by a but for this shop, she not senior me. I be her senior.
Look at this idiot. You don't have respect. Have you forgotten what I told you about her? Ebube, here is my mother. She's the one that taught me everything that I know about salon business. If not for her, you will not be here enjoying and doing all this rubbish you're doing here. I told you to respect her because you have a lot to learn from her. And here you are misbehaving. What is your problem?
No offense, ma. This is say make she dey address me with respect. Say she get a lot to learn from me. As I be a senior now. I don't know. Madam, no offense.
Get out. Go and kneel down under the sun.
Madam.
Go kneel down outside. Idiot. Disrespectful fool. Can you imagine?
Just calm down now, Sharon. It's okay.
Look at this idiot. And because of all this rubbish which she dey do for this salon, we dey laugh, she's funny, we dey laugh. Now she don't carry the thing go overboard. She don't dey misbehave now, they do anyhow.
And small pikin dey worry. She's still a baby. So how far?
My dear.
Calm down.
I've been looking for you upstairs.
Hello, Mama. Yeah, I'm at the sitting room. And I have the other my phone in my room. Yes, Mama. Hi, Papa. I hope all is well. Okay. Mama, just stop this now. You can't continue doing this all the time. Must we continue looking for a woman to marry for me? I'm a matured man. You're not supposed to be doing that. I can find someone myself. Mama, what if I tell you that I've gotten someone to marry? Yes, I have someone in my life now. And that girl you're planning to bring here, Mama, please, do not bring anybody here because I won't just take it lightly with you. Yes, I'm serious about this. Biko, don't go and bring one more cookie for me here, babe. Bye-bye. What is wrong with Mama now? She can't just allow me rest. Am I the only single man that is not married yet? Why are you smiling? What's so funny?
Oh my goodness, I'm happy because my brother will soon be getting married. But wait, you never introduced that to me. You want me to go first, Abby?
I don't have anybody in my life. I just said that just to make Mama drop that nonsense plan of hers.
Brother.
Better don't open your mouth to tell her anything.
You know I wouldn't do that now. You know Mama better than I do. This news just broke to her. Don't be surprised to see her at your doorpost. Oh.
Give me water to drink.
I'll get it.
Just allow me to rest. Okay? I will bring one local fowl for me here now. I'll just chop that fowl. Chop it and get him out.
Hello.
Hello, Sharon. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. I was just about to call you.
Really?
Yes, I was about calling you. You can ask my friend. Oh.
Is a friend there with you?
Yes, she's here. You want to talk to her?
Okay, let me just say hi to her.
Okay.
Hello?
Good evening, sir.
Hi, good evening. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Good. What's your name?
My name is hello, darling. Don't worry. When you see her face to face, you can ask her her name, okay?
It's okay about that. It's okay. So, how is your tomorrow evening going to be?
Well, anything for you, sweetheart. I'll be free.
Okay. I'll call you then to tell you where to meet me.
That'll be cool. I'll be waiting. Bye.
Okay. Have a nice day. Girls.
What was that for?
What?
Why did you drag the phone away from me like that?
Nothing. I guess I was too excited. I called.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you're going out tomorrow?
Yes. Such a sweet guy.
Where is this girl now? Waka! Come on, let's go. What are you still doing in there? Waka! Come on now, come on, let's go. Why are you wasting time?
I'm sorry. I was trying to make sure my things like that.
You should have done that since last night. Not this morning.
I'm sorry.
Anyway, see this place you're going to, You are posted to go and serve, not to go and mess up or start misbehaving.
You know I always compliment myself. You know that.
It's okay. You look good though.
Yeah, I love it.
Come on, let's go.
Thank you. I love my hair.
Thank you too.
Thank you. You started make hair for a year. I hope you come back again. Bye. Sister Obe. Are you still angry with me?
Alright, I'm not angry with you. Whatever I said, I've said it and that's it. I hold nothing against you. No?
Well, I was asking you something. You did not answer my questions.
Because I was busy, Dorothy. I was busy.
Oh, maybe because I was hungry.
I wonder why her call is not going. Could it be that she's not with her phone? And I'm not with her friend's phone to know if she's fine or not. I couldn't contact her friend too. What is going on? Okay, let me go to her house and know what is happening.
Chief. Chief, tell me. How? Why?
That's my baby.
Look.
You look great. Astonishing. You look wonderful. In fact, you are enchanting. The money I lavish on you is really telling on you. It is not in vain.
Oh, Chief, you can say that again.
Exactly.
Thank you so much.
Okay, come on, let's go.
Oh, Chief. Be romantic. Be nice.
Sharon, am I not nice? I meet up with every of your demand. Financially, gift-wise, whatever you ask for. What again do you want from me?
I know, Chief. Add a little spice.
Even the money you asked for your rent, the 800,000. After today's enjoyment, I'm going to give it to you.
Chief, I forgot to tell you. My rent is no longer 800,000 naira. My landlord has increased it to 1.8 million naira.
Jesus Christ!
Chief, why are you screaming? Did anything happen? Why are you shouting?
Is it not this compound? Eh? Or do you have any other house in Banana Estate or GRA Abuja?
Chief, is that why you are shouting? Come on, Chief. Chief, not for your hand, though. Eh? The chicken change.
That your landlord is very wicked. In fact, he's a thief. Eh? I'm going to relocate you to one of my apartments in
Chief.
Government House Quarters.
Chief, I don't want. I am very, very comfortable here.
What are you saying?
I am comfortable here, Chief. Besides, I don't want your wife to break my head.
Who is going to tell my wife that you are my side chick? Or are you going to tell her?
Chief, she will definitely find out. Eh? We women, we have our ways. She will find out. Chief, how can you even suggest that? Oh, are you using this as an excuse not to give me the money I asked for? You know what, Chief? Keep your money. I don't want again. I don't want.
Oh, my baby, what is 1.8 million? I'm going to give you. Don't bother about it. Please come
give
on.
me. Aww, Chief, you're so sweet.
Come, it's alright. It's alright. What's 1.8 million? That's how we lose you.
I just hope all is well. Why is her phone ringing and she's not picking? Could it be that her phone is stolen? Okay, let me just try the number again. Okay. Hello?
Hello, Mama.
Sharon? What's going on?
Mama, I'm in the middle of something. I'll call you back. Yes, I'll call you back later. Alright, bye. Chief, my mom likes calling at odd hours. This is not a good time.
Oh, I got it. So you don't want her to disturb her phone?
No, Chief, you know how far.
You are a smart guy.
I know. Chief.
Love that.
Chief, that 1.8 million. Are you going to give me cash?
Why not?
Or check?
No, whatever you want. I can always give you.
I
Whatever
believe you,
make
I
you
trust
happy.
you, and I love you.
That's good. That's good. Mama, why would Sharon be calling me? And the way she sounded, she sounds more like a player. I'm sure she's with someone. Who am I saying? Ebube! Oh my God. Ebube! Wow.
Were you following me?
Not really. I was heading somewhere, then boom, he walked into my view.
Well, I'm sorry about that.
So, where are you coming from and where are you heading to?
I'm just closing from work. I'm going home. And where are you going to?
I'm coming from the office and I'm looking for a nice place to have dinner. Did I say anything funny?
There's nowhere else here you can eat. There's no eatery or restaurant around here.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Then, take me to a nice place to eat.
No, I can't do that. I need to get home, freshen up, and then make dinner.
Oh.
Yeah.
Nice one. Then, I don't mind taking you home, wait for you, you freshen up, then
you
go for dinner together.
No, you can't do that. I live with a friend, and it's not appropriate to bring a man to the house without her consent.
I am not going to leave here till you agree.
I agree to what?
To take me to a nice place to eat.
Why are you being stubborn? Okay, fine. I can direct you to the place, okay? But I can't go with you.
No, that's not true. We're going to have dinner together.
You're not going to stop, right?
Yeah, I want us to have dinner together.
Me?
Yes, you. Is there another person here? It's just you and I.
You're not going to stop. But this isn't planned. I'm not even dressed for dinner or anything. Let me just quickly rush home, change, and then maybe we can go.
We'll go together. Yeah, we'll go together. Please, Ebube, I'm asking you nicely. You know, your company will make me feel good. At least I won't be bored. Hello.
Okay. Oh, God.
Okay, let me be a gentleman.
Come and sit down. Hey, you're looking very beautiful.
Thank you, Mama.
Hey, I can see evidence of settling down.
Mama.
Hey?
Thank you, Mama.
You're welcome. What of your husband?
He's fine.
Good to know. Good to know.
Mama, is Ebube at home?
Ebube.
Yeah.
Ebube has gone to the city.
Since when?
For more than 1 week now. Are you not aware?
No. She didn't tell me. Although she said she was going to join Sharon in the city. But I just didn't know it was so soon.
When did you speak with her last?
I spoke with her, I think, the following day after my wedding. Yeah, we talked.
Did both of you quarrel?
Mama, how can we quarrel? I mean, even if we do, we always know how to solve our misunderstanding.
I know why I asked. Because I'm surprised to hear that it took both of you this long to communicate.
Anyway, I actually lost my SIM card and all the contact that I had was in my diary, my dad's place, before my husband left for the city. I guess that's why
it's okay. I understand. I will give you her number so you can relate with her.
That's better.
080.
Okay, hold on, Mama. Let me just open my phone. Okay, 080.
Yeah? Who is this? Chika. We've been trying to reach you now, all to no avail. What happened to your line? Whose contact is this? Okay, I'll save it. Sharon is here. Cello. Okay. I'll talk to you. Once I give you the phone, I'll talk to you.
Give me phone.
Okay, hold on.
Hello, Mrs. Eze. What happened to your line? We've been trying to reach you since we got here. Oh, no wonder. So have you been able to retrieve your line? Okay. Oh yes, we are fine. We can't wait to have you here as well. You don't say. Are you serious? She said they want to relocate from Port Harcourt to Lagos. Hey! That would be wonderful! We can't wait to have you here, my girl. My girl.
Let me finish that.
Calm down. Wait till they do you. We can't wait to have you here.
Yes, sir.
3 square.
Yes,
I am so happy.
Let me talk to her now.
Calm down now. Don't mind that. She don't smoke that way they hire her. Okay, take.
Hey, my sister, I cannot wait to have you here. Hey, God bless your husband. Please tell him to hurry up. We can't wait. We can't wait to be in the same.
We can't wait.
Mrs. Eze. Okay, take care. All right, bye.
Regards to hubby.
Okay. Where you they go? I thought she just came back. You the rock powder they go.
Have a date. A date with a cutie.
Just came back.
Because I just came back.
Sorry,
you the
sorry, not best.
So. Hey, she no get joy at all. She's fearless. She can do anything for the money, and always ready for trouble. Hey, she know that if you face so, how I holla too much trouble for her body.
My daughter, please, do you live around here? Young girl, I'm talking to you. Do you live around?
Come, this woman. I see say you tie this your hair, tie yourself join. Yeah, you blind? Can't you see that I'm busy making call?
Of course I am not blind. And the question I ask you is not something that is going to take your time. It's either yes or no. Are you this irresponsible?
Eh? You call me irresponsible? All your daughters are irresponsible. In fact, all your children are irresponsible. Look at this foolish woman, oh. Eh? Now me they do you. Your pastor tell you say na me they do you. You dey crazy? Foolish woman. Hey.
Young girl, If you dare show me this attitude again, I will beat you like a child that you are.
You beat me? You dey craze? Eh? You beat me! They never born you well, oh. Eh? When you're not mad. See, madam, respect yourself. Oh. No be my hand, you go die. Just respect yourself. Eh? Respect yourself. I know.
Are you stupid? You dey craze? Are you mad? Don't you have respect for your elders?
Wait, na slap you give me like this? Na slap you
I
slap
will
me?
slap you again.
Oh! Oh!
Stupid girl.
I go forget say you be my mama mate now, eh? I go shut you like
Oh, yeah, ni. Eh? What in the worry this one? You don't get mama for us. Eh? You don't get mama for your house. That's why you dey misbehave.
Where this one from come?
What in the worry this girl
Who dey follow
now?
you talk?
Eh?
Who dey follow you talk? Where you from come?
Me?
Where you escape from
I be Lagos boy.
Where you from come?
Eh?
Where you from come? You dey follow me?
Mogbe. I go tell you say me I be Lagos boy.
Me I be Lagos boy. Come here, do am. Eh? Woman to man, come here, do am.
Obvious she doesn't have respect.
Mama, na because
Come
of
here,
you.
do am. I go beat you. No dancing.
It's obvious she does not have respect.
I go beat you. I go do anything.
Let's go.
See this woman. Irresponsible woman.
I'm ashamed of you.
I see say you bleach your body, bleach your sense, come out. Mumu, idiot, come out for here. Foolish people, rubbish people, idiot. I'm ashamed of you too. Eh? I'm ashamed of you too. Get out. Get out. They can't talk to me. Why you know the grace? Eh? If not be say I repent, God arrest me this morning. Eh? Wetin I for do that woman? Wetin I for do you? I just thank God. I'm a body again.
So. Hey, she no get joy at all. She's fearless. She can do anything for the money. And always ready for trouble. Hey, she know that if your face how I holla too much trouble for her body, and she no send anybody. Hey, she's so desperate.
Hey, mama. Come can go. Inside.
It's me, your mother.
Mama?
Hey, stand no one. How are you?
I'm fine, Mama. Welcome.
Yeah. This why you're looking at me like this. Is this the new way of welcoming me, your mother?
Because I didn't expect you to come. You didn't inform me that you were coming.
I wanted to take you by surprise now.
What if you come and I'm not around? What will you do?
You're talking as if you have forgotten my brother is in this city. If you're not around, I will go to my brother's house and wait for you until you come back.
Oh, please, next time, do not surprise me like this. I don't like it. You get me next time, Biko.
That's why you're scolding me with authority. As if I'm your younger sister, Waka. Or you're talking to your girlfriend.
Mama, I am not talking to you with authority. I just told you a piece of my mind. So there will be peace. Biko.
So why do I have heard?
So why did you come? What brought you?
Stand on, Mom. Hey. You remember your uncle's son? The one you aged with good 4 years. He's doing his introduction in this town. I came here for the occasion. And I just wanted to use the same opportunity to come and see my daughter-in-law to be.
Which daughter-in-law are you talking about?
The one you told me on the phone, have you forgotten? You told me you have found somebody you're going to get married to. Or were you joking about that?
No, I wasn't really joking about it. How can I joke with a thing like that? I was serious.
When is she coming around? So that I will see her. I can't wait to see my daughter-in-law to be.
Mama, let's go inside first so we freshen up and eat.
Stand one. Do you know what happened today? One useless girl that doesn't have regard and respect for her elders. She was misbehaving to me. But I dealt with her. Next time she will not try it.
Mama, let's go inside so we freshen up. While I make your meal, like we eat first.
But you have not answered my question.
Mama, come on. Freshen up first.
I cannot wait to see her. That's why I'm talking. I know, Mama.
That's why I'm calling you. I don't know. You need to talk to me. Yes. You know I can't do that. You know that. Eh?
Hey!
I will call you back. I will call you back.
Don't worry, Picky. Don't
worry.
Hey, Bob!
Hey, Bob! Heavy duty. You never lose weight, you.
This girl lose weight now. Me now I don't finish for market. Now what?
Hey, what's up now? Wetin dey happen now? What's up? Everything don't just dey anyhow. Wetin dey happen now?
Nothing. You no wan come shop again. I dey miss you now.
You dey talk like this. You no forget say madam give me suspension. Abi she don change her mind?
Na true.
She don change?
No, she never change.
I know that.
But do fast make you come back. Do fast make you come shop. You know say I dey miss you.
I don't miss you, die.
I
don't miss you, die. I swear. No worry now. I go surface very soon for shop. How far now? Wetin dey happen for shop? I hope say everything dey fall in pleasant places for shop. Eh?
Why they like confuse me like this now with this your big grammar? Which one be pleasant place again?
Now you dey talk like this. I said I hope everything is going well for shop. That's what I'm saying now.
You talk. You for break and sins now. Everything dey okay. But sha we don't get new madam.
Eh? Yes, we don't get new madam. New madam? Wetin happen to our madam?
Nothing happen. Our madam dey. This one na madam.
Which one be madam? You be like say you don't drink ogogoro. I don't understand you. I be like say you dey get typhoid.
No be like that. This person now, na person wey teach our madam work.
Okay, she come shop, come stay.
I swear down, but this one, I love and pass our madam. You know say our madam dey craze. That one dey craze dey in brain.
I swear.
I see now why they laugh like this.
That one dey craze.
Your love don't make tears. They don't come out. Why they laugh like this?
That one dey craze. You see that one, madam? I don't even get her time. I no get her time in fact. Make I begin dey go.
I don't dey go.
Yes now.
Nah, see, I find me something. You know say na 2K.
Dorothy. You never stop this your urgent 2K. You and 2K na 5 and 6.
Bread and Fanta.
You know wahala. Make I find something for you. You be my paddy.
Nani.
Hey. Hey, well, I don't get 2K. I manage this one.
Make I manage that. I see there. How you do this? Nani. I like you. Hey. No tell madam say you see me. I be fool. I don't say na you go tell her. Understand? But wait, what be this oga make madam give Ejiro suspension? Now worry pikin, worry people they get mind though. I want to be like you when I grow up. Make I go manage you. Hey!
Hello, Maka. How are you, my daughter? Yes, I am fine. And you? Okay. So how is the service treating you?
Well, you know, we are serving our father's land, so no complaint.
You can say that again. I hope they are not giving you those strenuous exercises they are doing there.
Mama, I'm not the only one here. So if others can do it, what excuse do I have?
I'm asking because I'm wondering how you are going to cope with all the exercise they give to coppers there. I don't know how you're going to manage.
Oh, yeah. I'm coping very well. Thank you anyway for your concern.
You're welcome, my daughter.
That reminds me, Mama. They said you were at Stanley's place.
Oh, yes. I came in yesterday.
But you should have told him now that you were coming around.
So Stanley reported me to your where?
Oh, no. We actually talked about you yesterday when you told me you were around. But Mama, do you know, going to his house unannounced could be very, very dangerous. It's not nice. What if something bad is actually happening around his neighborhood? Then you're just walking like that.
My daughter, don't worry. I'll be fine. I will not walk into danger. You know?
Mama, be cool. Like, please, I'm on my knees begging you. Just be letting us know about your news, okay?
So, no problems. I've heard. Do you have the number of your brother's girlfriend?
No, I don't.
You don't? Why will you say so? Why you're staying here with him? Why can't you have the girlfriend's number?
But, Mama, what do you need his girlfriend's number for?
What is wrong with you people? Is it a crime for me to have the number of the girl my son wants to get married to? At least call her so that I can see her one-on-one. Is it a crime? Or if not,
did he tell he has a girlfriend?
What did he say?
Mama, I was just wondering why you need her contacts. Yeah, that's all. But don't worry, as long as you are still around, definitely you'll get to meet with her.
I don't think so now. If he's keeping the girl away from me, at least he wouldn't have told me he has a girl in his life.
Mama, stop running faster than you should. See, just calm down, okay? Calm down. Very soon he will introduce her to you.
I hope so too. Because, you know your mother, I am not going to leave this city until I see that girl my son wants to get married to. If it has to take me 1 year to see her, I will stay here. I'm not going anywhere. Your father will remain in the village.
Mama, you're very funny. Don't worry. One of these days, you will bring her home.
Take care. Be careful. See these children. They want to cajole me into leaving the city without seeing the girl. But I can't do it.
You need to restock these things. You need to restock them.
Oh.
What is it?
What is it? I'm sure he's angry at me. Because I disappointed him the other day. That's why he's not taking my calls. Babe, can I use your phone? Do you have airtime?
I don't have enough, but just try now. I don't have enough.
What's with this one now? You don't charge your phone. Your phone just went off.
Let's say my battery they give problem. My battery is always
Alan, it took time though. Not bad. Don't come back.
Dorothy, why are you always late? Why?
I don't know where to go. Decide to come late.
Dorothy, give me your phone first. You have airtime. I want to make call.
Alan, go decide get airtime. Small.
Don't worry, I'll recharge your phone. I'll buy 500 airtime.
Hey! Madam, thank you, boy. If you make a one side.
See this one. You won't make I change my mind.
No vex, so I dey crazy. Just I don't demand. No, I don't change. I just a joke.
Just the chop. Every time they chop. I thought you ate before going for this errand. Small time now, she go tell me say her stomach they fly.
Madam, no be like that. You know, say they hungry. Not too they hungry now, man.
Dorothy, you like food. So you were eating this bread and drink on the road.
Like a mad person.
No vex. I thought you ate before leaving here. Pastor, the waka here, my tummy come dey do me so. I dey waka dey fall. I dey waka dey fall. I say no.
I will go buy bread and mineral, make I use food for this. I don't want to eat food now. See, my tummy don't go inside. And that place where you send me, you know, it's too far. It's too far.
I will leave that. She's the fun of this place, I beg.
Like that. I like the job. No. I better come on, my person. Madam, my phone. Hey, no vex, madam. I'm not telling you something. I see Ejiro today. Would that the same man will make you give her suspension?
You saw Ejiro with Leo.
The man we get one big car. What do they call him? It's in a Jesus. So you can't stop. Ejiro can't enter. So they can't be happy. They do that kind of thing where they do for feel. And so they take drive. Come on. Me, I can't say that. They go my own. Just make her not tell. I'm not tell you anything. No, I'm not tell you anything. She doesn't want me. Madam, hey, nah, don't do that.
Ejiro.
Hello, madam. Good afternoon. No, I am with my female friend. Yes. Her name is Flora. No, we are going to supermarket to get something. Oh, when? When do you want it? Oh, it's okay. No problem. No wahala, madam. I go call you now. No wahala. Okay.
That should be Sharon, right?
Yes. She says she wants to see me today or tomorrow, depending on when it's convenient for me.
Okay. Hope there's no problem.
She didn't sound as if there was a problem.
Okay. I also hope that container of a girl didn't tell her she's out here.
Wait. You are right, oh. You are right, oh. Because you know, see that girl, they talk like person when no get sense sometimes. You are right. Anyways, what's my problem? I don't send anybody, Papa.
Are you sure you're not scared of her?
Hey, scared of who? You don't know me, oh. I be worried pikin. I don't send anybody, Papa. Focus say I dey maintain my lane. As you dey see me so, I decrease. If I craze for you, if I craze for you, see that my madam, she go run, come on her wig, come on her shoe, they run. I mean they tell you.
Oh, beg, no craze for me.
Shoe?
My hands are clean. Why would you be crazy for me? Anyways, if you want to be crazy, go and meet Sharon and you guys can craze together. My hands are clean. I know be your G again.
No wahala. Make I free matter now. No wahala. But see, tell her she should not cross her lane. Because if she do, see, I know they fear anybody. I know they fear anybody, Papa. I go do anything. I get ready for anything.
Well, it's okay. I think you just have to go meet Sharon and maybe it's not what we are thinking about. You know? Yeah? That's what you should do.
You think so?
Yeah.
I will try.
Bye, girl.
See you.
All right.
I had a nice treat. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Did you mistakenly send me your address?
No, that wasn't a mistake. That's my real address. That's where I live.
Why?
My mother is in the house now and She really wants to see my fiancé before she goes back to the village. So I want you to come around and...
Then take your fiancé to her.
Take who?
Your fiancé?
Do I look like someone who has a fiancé?
It's not written on the forehead.
I don't have anybody in my life.
Hold on. If I get you right, you want me to act like a fiancé?
Exactly. I want you to come and act like my fiancé, you know. So she will just let me be.
No, I can't do that. That is this.
You are the only choice I have now to do that for me.
No, Stanley, it's this seat. It's a big, it's a lie because, I mean, your mother is old enough to be my mother. I can't lie to her. I can't make her believe that we're having a relationship when we're not.
I know, but please, you are the only one who can do that for me.
Okay, this is what we're going to do. I have a friend. I stay with a friend. She is very good at this thing. She's very good at acting. She will do it perfectly for you. I'll introduce you to her. In fact, let me call her. She will do it for you.
I don't just need anyone. Just act it however you want to act it. I'll be fine with it. Just come over.
My conscience, I'm sorry. My conscience will not let me do that kind of a thing. I can't do it.
Are you going to do this for me? Please.
I can't. I'm sorry, Stanley.
Oh.
My friend can do it. Trust me, she will do it.
It's okay. I'll sort myself out. I'll see how I'll go about it. Okay, it's okay. I'll do that. It's okay. Yeah. A friend is waiting for me. I need to catch up with the person now.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
Why is this number not going now? Oh. No. What happened? You stayed so late today.
Yeah, I'm so exhausted. I need to rest.
But you're fine.
Yes, I'm fine.
Okay, dinner is ready. Let me set it for you. It's already prepared.
No need for that. I don't have appetite to eat anything now. Maybe tomorrow. Okay?
You're sure?
Yeah. So tired.
Okay. I've been awake, waiting for you to come back. So that I'll serve your dinner before I go to bed. You said you're not eating. At least now that you're back, my mind is at peace. Let me go and take my shower and go to bed. But you're sure you're okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Nothing is wrong with you?
I said I'm fine.
You're okay? Well, catch you. Good night, eh? Ibube, are you okay?
Yeah, fine.
I don't think so. I've been observing you since you came back from outing with your friend. You look broken. What is the problem? Tell me.
Sharon, I'm fine. Trust me, I'm okay.
You're not okay.
Sharon, Please, can I be alone? Please.
Okay. When you're ready to talk, I'll be in my room.
Sure. Thank you.
Hello, Sharon. How are you? Yes, I want us to see. It's okay, I'll tell you where to meet me tomorrow.
Are you not going to eat your breakfast again?
No, I'll do that when I come back.
But you heard when I said I was going to prepare your breakfast. You didn't tell me not to. And you allow me to do it after going through the stretch. You are saying you're not eating.
I am sorry about that, but I have a meeting to meet up with at the office. I'm the one who fixed the meeting. So I'm supposed to be there before every other person.
Is everything alright? Are you facing any challenges?
No, not at all.
Because yesterday when you came back, you pretended as if you were exhausted. But I knew that somebody must have hurt you.
Well, nobody's hurting anybody here. I was just tired because of my busy schedule.
You're sure?
Very sure.
Stanley, if this is the tactics you're using for you not to bring down your girlfriend to me, you lie. For your information, I have called the village for them to bring that girl I told you earlier. And they are going to be here very soon.
What is this now?
What is what?
I told you I have someone already. She's not in town. And you're making things difficult for me.
Look at
See, that girl you're talking about, I don't want to see them here.
Look at you.
They shouldn't just step their feet in here.
Liar. Is it not obvious that you're lying to me? How can you tell your girlfriend that your mother is visiting and she will not find out time out of her busy schedule to come and see me?
Mama, do you expect her to disappear from where she is to this place? Is she a ghost?
Liar. Just lying. Looking for excuses.
Anyway, if she comes back in time, she'll come and see you. But if she doesn't, maybe tomorrow morning. I'm off. And that village girl that you people are arranging for me, I do not want to see them here. Tell the brother to stop that arrangement. Because if I see them here, they won't like what I do to them. Eh?
You are not ashamed of yourself, Stanley. Your younger cousin that you see now with good 4 years is about to settle down. And you're still single. And you're still single. And you think I will like it? No, I will not like it. If this is the work of my enemies, Holy Ghost, fire! It will not work. It will not work for them.
Out of your sight, just know that it is worth it. As I'm talking to you now, you are looking at the latest car owner!
A car owner?
Yes! Latest car owner.
I'm happy for you.
I'm happy for myself.
But Sharon, not look me like enemy of progress, but I don't like the way you're taking this business and your life too. You need to cut down things. I mean, tone it down a little bit. Too loud.
I hear you, Madam Preacher. I hear you. Your face sure. Your shoes shine. I hear you. Anyway, I just came to check up on you. Then look around the store because you won't see me for the next 2 days.
2 days?
Yes, I'm going out to be with my guy.
Please, and you're just telling me.
I need to blow a trumpet to tell you. We'll be talking on the phone. Take care of yourself. Thank you. Take care. Ciao, ciao. Take care.